What's up, everybody? We are live. Hope you guys are doing well. I just got off the other account, my evaluation for trade day, but since it's still early, I decided to do some demo on the current market. So this is live trading on a demo account. What's interesting about this account is that I started at the same time as the evaluation with the same amount of money, which is 50,000. And look how much better I'm doing on an account without any rules and basically without any restrictions. Because of that, I've been taking high stakes trades that have given me a lot of profit, but also have put me in a big drawdown. So a very risky trading types of action that I have going on in this account. But look how profitable it's been. So that's what we're gonna keep doing today. It's just trying to build up this account quickly with high risk. So have fun with me. Let's get this going. I don't really have any topics to discuss as I sometimes do in my videos. So we're just gonna shoot the breeze. We'll talk about this or that, but mainly we're gonna be trading. We had a profitable day on our account for the 5th day in a row, believe it or not. 5 profitable days in a row on the evaluation account, which is amazing. Especially taking 370 today, 540 yesterday, and about 200 for 2 days, and then 300 on another one. So we came back from a pretty substantial drawdown, almost $1,000, maybe 700 in drawdown, back to like 450 in profit. So that's really good, really good. Actually, more than that, more than 450, like 480. So we're on our way to pass the evaluation, but you know, we're newbies, we're not super experienced, and we're not profitable yet. So here we are honing our skills. We'll be looking out for important zones on the 1 minute chart. We've got, I'm actually going to put the 1 minute over here and the 5 minute over here. I didn't want that one. This one. This one goes over here. Okay. It could be a point of, yeah, no, I suspect we might attempt to run the high again. Maybe leave from here this time. We'll see. It really, our protected low is all the way down here. So about 50%, more than 50% of this swing point here. So deep mitigation of this zone right here. Now the reversal, maybe leave up again from this zone if it's a bullish flip action, but we still have this protected low all the way down here. So we have this big range right now. We did run the highs and broke them actually. That was a big break, so could go up, and especially from here, this being the low now that created this high. We'll see if this holds again, or this time, because it didn't hold here. So let's see if this holds this time around. And I kind of had a feeling when I saw this go up that even though it was going up, that it could be a good opportunity to chase it. Okay, we don't want to be chasing price too much, but considering how it's been moving and the runs of these highs really right away, I mean, in a quick action, I thought, okay, if you get in here, for example, you can still catch a move up. But now we're at the top of the range that's been created by the recent price action. We have these highs. So we'll see if it holds this time or price is ready to keep going on the trend to the upside. I put a one contract, 6 points, so very small order, but I just want to test this highs, see if they produce some movement to the downside. Again, we're taking high risk and on this trading session. We don't have any rules to worry about, any drawdown. This is a demo count, so not a big deal. But we're still trying to be profitable, of course. Disclaimer, by the way. Have to do this, guys. Disclaimer, the content presented in this video is for entertainment and educational purposes only. The views and opinions expressed are solely those of the creator and should not be construed as financial advice. The creator does not sell any products or services, nor is affiliated with any of the trading platforms or tools mentioned. It is important to conduct your own research or consult with a professional before making any investment decisions. The creator assumes no responsibility for any losses or damages arising from the use of this content. My order hasn't, oh, no, I was gonna say it hasn't been taken, but it did get taken. I lost that trade, 165 bucks. So it did want to go up, you know, testing the highs. Didn't produce anything. Yeah, should have been following my initial instinct, which was to follow the trend. But you know, I had to test those highs just to see if they pan out. It's actually kind of good. Oh, look at that. Now after that high was broken, these highs here, then we have the downward move that we were looking for. So just a little too early. We got to understand that a lot of people are thinking the way we're thinking. So there's a lot of stop losses gathered here, which makes price want to go and get those orders if it does want to go lower after. But we're not rushing. So yeah, what's going on with everybody today? It's a cool day. Cool day in the market for me. Like I said, I made some profits. We have a small little range being formed right now with this high and this low. We're about 50% of that, so price might go up from here if it wants to go higher. But we'll wait to see if there's a deeper downside before we get an entry. Squeaky chair. Holla to the squeaky chair. You see that one? That was it. That was the order right there that I was thinking of, going on the upside from here. I just thought maybe a little down more. Didn't really give us a chance. Could have been a good one. But now we're at the top of the range, so the range is very small at the moment. Five points might be wise here. All right, we did it. We didn't hesitate. We're going down for 5 points. Okay, we got that order. That was a good one. Nice little scalp. No, could have been even better. We do still have this protected low all the way here. So we're at the top of the major range on the big time frame. But price could leap down from here. It's possible. But I would assume a deeper mitigation, maybe around here at least. Okay, another 5-point trade. Let's see if it pans out. One contract at a time as we build up steam. We're just trying to get back to a little bit of profit, more than break even, not in this order. Okay. I had a feeling once it didn't reach the high here that I should close my order early, and I didn't. So it did take me out. So I should listen to my instincts, especially in this type of situation where very likely point to leave down from. I have a feeling we're going down more. Okay, good. Denied. Yeah, we're still in the flip then. We're still in the upward trend at the moment. Interesting how it left from here. Big doji at the top. Took another sell. Trying to short the market on an upward trend. move the camera. Not bad. Okay, yeah, could be where we leave up from, and maybe a little too ambitious with the order. Could have been a nice 3-pointer, but we'll see. I mean, not completely upset about my entry. Yeah, the problem is it's all wicks. Okay, no, I mean this wick. A lot of wicks on the lower time frame, of course, but just one wick on the 1 minute. Oh no, this is the 20-second. Well, it's going my way, kind of. Not really. We have that low that might not want to get broken right next to it. Below, I mean, above our take profit. Yeah, the problem with my order was that I am looking for a break to the downside where the trend is to the upside, and maybe an entry there would be better. So because we're in a high risk account, we might put another entry if it doesn't break. It did run the high there. Definitely a strong resistance right there. On the left, there's nothing but imbalances. There's a fractal here. So, who knows? Okay, we closed the order there. Stop the bleeding. I think that was a smart choice, I think. We'll see. I think it might go up. We had our stop loss here. I mean our profit. Our stop loss was over here. Okay, I'm glad I got out, because I could get a better entry if it does want to go down. Ooh. Yeah, I'm glad I got out. That's good. That was good. Sometimes taking losses, even though they might not, I mean, it was small loss compared to what the risk and reward was for the 1-to-1. So I'm glad we did that. Reaching almost the top, so might be a good place to short from again, unless we're running the highs, which could happen because we did run these highs over here. So if we're here, we might go down from here. We'll see. Maybe get a rejection, a reaction, something. You see that? Ooh, big manipulation. We are very near that low that gave us a new high. Look at that. I said short from there. Okay. Okay, nice 7-point trade there with 2 contracts. So that puts us back at $35 in profit just with that one trade. That's what I like to do in this demo account is take higher risk. 2 contracts, that's a lot of risk, but on a certain area. Why did I take an order there? Well, because we have this protected low, which ran the high, this high here. Okay, so we had this high put in, price dropped, went up, and broke that high, created a new high. That low wasn't ran yet, ran the highs to the left. So now this becomes more interesting to us. It didn't go all the way down there, but almost. And the action I was watching on the lower time frame, like the 20-second, gave me indication that it was going to flip. Maybe not so much like this one right here. See that? Because my order is right there. Let's see my order. Oh, it is showing right here. Where is? Oh, it's here. You see? You see this? How it ran this real quick? Okay. We're headed down there again, but this time from this imbalance here. So could be another chance actually. But we'll have to wait a little bit to see. Could be heading down towards this now. If I do take a long, it would be a very short long, considering what our profit would be and what structure is above it or below it. So yeah, like I said, no particular topic. I already had 3 topics for the last video, which I just finished doing a little bit earlier on the trade day 50K evaluation. So if you want to hear some topics, go there. We're just shooting the breeze here. There's another low over here that might be interesting as well. Let's go to the 1 minute here with the ATR. Kind of looks like it wants to push up. So fractal left here after this range. Might go back here again. Small scalp might be good. The momentum is down a little bit. Let's see. Okay, now we ran the low. Okay, we'll have to be patient, see if we get over here. Where our real low is over here, but then there's definitely more room to go down. But we are looking pretty bullish with the closing of the candles above the previous highs, making it a full break and a continuation of this full break, bullish break here. Oh wow, all the way down here. Wow, well, there was a break of the low as well, so I don't know, tricky to tell what's actually happening, but definitely a range from this to this all the way down, all the way up here. So if we do that, we put it right here. We got here, let's ignore the wick. %, around here. I don't know. Yeah, this is going down. You know, a little bad entry. I mean, good. I think still it's going down, but bad entry because it might take me and then go down. I got in at the kind of the bottom of a little range, but I do think it's going to expand to the low side, at least for a little bit, but might take me out before it does. Or it could go higher. I mean, we do have all this big range, so I don't know. Shorting from there was probably not a good idea. You can't see my order, sorry guys, here. So I'm going down. You know, that's kind of following the trend, but not at a good place. But we'll see. Yeah, we're gonna minimize our risk because if it breaks, it's gonna go up. Oh, we couldn't do it. Oh, yeah, okay, we got out. I moved my stop loss pretty awkwardly, but that's good. Yeah, we got out. That was only one contract though. So 230, a big move actually, a lot bigger than it seems. All right, don't worry. This is a high stakes account, so you'll see. I'll get the magic going. I'll make the magic happen. I don't care about the little losses in this account. Okay, better entry now, going to the downside. Imagine you could trade like this, like risk thousands of dollars to make 300. I'm not talking about my loss profit range. I'm talking about the orders that I make. Like, let me show you. So look how much we are losing and winning to make this. You see what I mean? 14 contracts already. That's crazy. Okay, denied. Okay, we're doing really bad. Woo! 315. Oh, that's nothing. That's nothing. Yeah, I mean, that's twice. I did the same thing twice. I should have maybe just taken this loss, waited, and then wait. I really thought that we were going down here. But the uptrend has been confirmed by this. So I don't know why I kept thinking that we were going down further, but we'll see. Maybe the range is a lot smaller than I'm thinking about. Maybe the range is basically only now from here to here. And that could give us better definition of where we are. So let's say here. Oh yeah, I mean that does tell a better story. Look at that. Yeah, that's the previous. I had to take into account that this is the previous range. Basically down here, but this is the last low, which left from the 50% here. So we should have long instead of shorted on that one. And we have a very small range on the daily created today. So I should have paid attention to that this is the daily. For some reason I thought this might be some kind of 15-minute or 30-minute or an hour, but I didn't pay attention to the daily, which means that there's a very small range. So I'm thinking of going out of the range, but there's no indication for that. So it's a good thing to notice. Okay, we could be going down from here again. Well, we took an entry. We're going for a bigger swing with more stop loss room. Usually when price leaps from these areas here, it does so sharp like that. You see that? Like sharp movement right into my profit. Wow, that's a good one. That's a good one. Oh, I wanted to keep it running, but I couldn't. It wasn't quick enough. All right, $45 in loss. That was only one contract too, so now whether we're feeling more confident, we might go for bigger moves. We're back in that 50% area, back in the middle of the daily range, or not really middle, but we're still bullish for the day. This is a tough one. Now that I want to take a scalp up to keep in the range, it might now leave out of the range. We'll see. I think one contract on this one would be enough. 5 points, no big deal. Maybe 7 points. We might get out early. We'll see. Yeah, that might have been a good one to get out right at the peak of the last bar. Right there. Just to look for a quick scalp. We don't really know if it's going up more. There's another chance. Right there. Okay, so I did get out. Might go higher, but that's fine. 65 bucks. Sometimes you just gotta take the profit if you're a little bit uncertain, which we are, because even though it is a protected low, we don't know how far. Oh, look at that. That was a good trade. That was a better trade than we anticipated. Well, no, I did anticipate this, but meaning once it was moving here, I thought we might go down before going up like that. So 20 bucks in profit, probably nothing in profit because of the fees that they add up on this high stakes, big risk accounts. $56, it's almost 60 bucks in just fees and commissions. But you know, that's not a big deal. You know, we might trade like this when we have a live account and a lot of money to fund the account. We might trade like this without a care in the world. I ran out of coffee this morning. I had 1 cup. It was kind of big, but it went down so quick and kind of feel like I need more. But I didn't go get more. Could go up from here. Wow. You see that? Ah. Oh, ran the high on the left. Let's see this high. Well, we still got that bullish trend indication of continuing. My order, again, my order would have been one of those. You know, one of those. These were not one of those because I was trying to short here. But in any case, Wow. Yeah, we might go up. Should I get out? 2 contracts, so it's plenty of. I should have gone out. Ooh, get out. Oh, hopeful and fearful in the wrong places. So that was at 200. Oh, $100 only. Okay. That was 2 contracts though. I don't know how. Is it 2 contracts out of 100? I don't know what happened on that one, but yeah, I mean, I should have taken the profit at the 4 points or whatever. Yeah, we're going up. I mean, I should have stayed with the trend and waited. For this kind of action, it's more probable to give us a low. Let's see if we break though. Might be ready to break. There is definitely an expansion from the trend that we were dealing with. Look at this high here. So we're here. The points of resistance have been playing out much better than the points of support for sure. 2 contracts again. Our stop loss, we're gonna take a little more risk. I don't think we're ready to run the highs just yet, so take more risk. Wiki. So it's a good opportunity to work on our trade management skills. Let's see how much it drops and how much we can take, because we're already in profit, but go back to our break even, might maybe here, and then check out how much lower it wants to go. Okay, it's definitely going up. Yeah, we got out. We got out because it's going up before it goes down again. So let's just take our profit and look for another entry possible. We're probably even, somewhat even, considering all the fees. Okay, so should have stayed with that one, yeah. So here's my order. I put my stop loss here, around here, below this. I thought price was gonna come back, take it, and then leave. It didn't. So my order would have been 1/4 more profitable or more, we're still there. Got this 50% of this area here. Right here. Where's the menu? Come on. Oh, oh, there it is. Let's lock it in. You see that? I mean, didn't go up, but it just now. Oh no. Yeah, it was just a little fakey. A lot of people put in orders where I did. Very small area to mitigate, but if I wanted to, I could really risk and probably win this one, but I'm not gonna do that. I just took a loss. So a deeper mitigation. I should have waited, definitely. I just wanted to really test the area. So now we're headed to the bottom of the range. Let's see what happens. Took an order. You see that? You see how you do this? You just gotta forget that it matters, you know, and just trust your zones. Why was that such a big move? Such a big trade? Because it's the bottom of our range. Not the bottom, not all the way down here, but the past the 50%, heading towards the protected lows. We see signs of a flip on the lower time frame. We take an order without any fear, and bam, we put 4 contracts because we like the area a lot. Then we end up with, look at that, and we're losing. Like we got more losing trades than winning. Feeling very confident, but I don't want it to disrupt my good trading that I've got going on. So I'm gonna savor these moments and keep working. I'm gonna keep working. I'm gonna keep educating myself. And you know, I don't think we can trade like this during the evaluation. Of course, we cannot take that much risk, but we can take multiple contracts. So once we get better, maybe once we get funded, we can trade more like this, where we, not all the way, because we still have to follow certain rules, even if you are funded, but they're not as strict as the evaluation rules. Once you get funded, the rules loosen up a bit, especially one that we care about, which is the do I have a contract open? No, it doesn't look like I do. It's kind of weird that there's a position open on my, I think the system kind of glitched a little bit. But in any case, yeah, so what was I saying? Yeah, the rules loosen up on the funded account, so we can trade more like this, not all the way, but use multiple contracts, especially on good zones, and you know, go from there. Thanks for watching. This is it for me today. Finally, 2 streams in one day, 1 evaluation, 1 demo account, both profitable. Bam! Imagine if this was a real account, $3,000 in about a month. Not a bad payday, pay month. We are going down from there further, so now we're gonna really get out. And look, it's going tapping into my area. And you know, I would take an order. Would I take an order? I mean, I'm still here. I definitely would not take 4 contracts anymore, because we just attempted to go up again. So there's more likelihood that price might go down. The other one was better because the one we got in, because there was this high was the one that broke this low. I mean this high, and then so this low was protected. Yeah, no, I'm out. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for joining me. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace out.